Case Discussions Part 5. This is in relation to a young, confident girl who wasn't confident about her smile because she had a lot of issues with her teeth. Her upper anteriors were discolored because she had a lot of restorations, composite restorations, which were discolored. Apart from that, she had a few missing teeth, 1-4 and 1-5 on the right quadrant and 2-5 on the left quadrant. These missing teeth, along with the discolored restorations, did pose challenge in terms of her aesthetics, and that was the reason for her underconfident smile. Apart from that, when you see the complexities, what we found was the mid third and the lower third of the face was very prominent, and her teeth did give an illusion that they're on the face. So the biggest challenge in this case was to get a balance between her teeth and the facial aesthetics. Now, what we went and did with this particular case was to make sure that we achieve a great harmony of her teeth and the lip contours. As you can see in the earlier pictures, the lip was quite everted because the teeth were quite bulky. The whole idea about getting her smile corrected was to achieve a balance between that. Another challenge which was a big obstacle in her planning was her implants were placed somewhere else and the access hole were disturbing the alignment of her crowns. So we went ahead and planned cementable processes in relation to those implants and had her upper and lower teeth crowned with lithium disilicate, which were micro-layered. Now, I believe what we've achieved here is a great balance where her smile is coming alive, and I see that she regained her confidence, especially the confidence about her smile. And as you can see here, the balance what was achieved was not based on symmetry, but rather based on a balance and harmony between her teeth and the facial aesthetics. I think this is a great case because the challenges were not just about dental. It was to achieve a harmony between teeth and the facial aesthetics. And I think we did a good job. Thank you.